I'm going to show you how you can change the car camera mode on Assetto Corsa EVO. So this works for any controller. If you are using your keyboard and mouse, if you are using a controller or a wheel, this will also help you. So on keyboard, the default key is F1, but if you want to know the key for your controller, you can go to settings, then controls, and right here you will see camera. Right now I'm searching for keyboard and mouse, but you can use your wheel or controller. And as you can see on camera, the key I have is F1, which is the default key, but you might have a different one. So you can also click here, clear the binding, confirm, and set any key you want. And that's it. That's how you can change the car camera mode and set any key you want. In my case, I'm going to leave it as the default key. So I hope it was so cool and thanks for watching.